What is up everybody? Welcome back. In this video guys, we're gonna do drive shaft, lead the clutch and sort out the cooling system. So make sure you're watching and don't miss out on anything. So it's been a few weeks since I have recorded anything. It has been Christmas and obviously New Year's, busy with work, busy with kids, family and stuff. So we are picking up right where we left off. What we were doing last was obviously we were messing with fitting, we were messing with coolant pipe, and I got some new stuff for Christmas. Drive shafts. Also, this little pipe that I was missing, I couldn't find it. Obviously I took it off when I was getting the engine taken apart and put back together, but this pipe goes on the inlet here and then goes from the inlet to the engine. So that's one more thing done, one more thing crossed off the list, and that's done, easy. Also, let's just take a second to look how tidy that is in there. Look at that. I will be fixing up the inlet. I did get a cover for it. I'm getting a new spark plug cover off Stephen from Iconic Auto Design. He has really cool ones. They're like standard, but they're stepped up. They're really cool looking, really nice. I also ordered the sensor plug that needs to go onto that. So that needs to get wired up to, hey presto, that needs to get wired up to here. Then that plugs in there. That sends me my temperature. This is the fan switch, I think. One of them, I don't know which one it is. Fan switch, temperature, either. But the wire's in the right place. And let's have a look at these shafts. So I was going to build up shafts, but Stephen told me that they're a little bit short and on full lock they want to fall out, which is never good. You don't want drive shafts to fall out. So I'm going to open these up and we'll have a look at them. They're from Stephen at Iconic Auto Design. So not a brand new shaft. They are a second-hand shaft with all new bearings and new bits and pieces done for them, and the proper outer CV joints for my hubs. How perfect is that? Brand new outer CVs, brand new inners, and I'm not, you know what, them shafts, that looks brand new, but nice and tidy, very heavy duty, good quality, perfect. Now let's get the other one open. Whoa, yeah. Perfect. Nice. Now guys, for new shafts with new inners and outers for an EP3/EG for €400, you cannot go wrong. Stephen looked after me with a few other bits and pieces, so you definitely should get on to Stephen. If you're doing a Kswap, definitely get on to Stephen in Iconic Auto Designs. He does ship anywhere you want. It's not only Ireland or UK. He will ship parts anywhere and they are of the highest quality. So Aaron was here a week or two ago. I haven't been here in about 3 weeks, just been super busy. He did leave me a lovely mess, but some of it was from my car. He resprayed a bumper on a car that he bought and he moved my car over. So now I need to clean up all this crap out of the way so we can get the Civic more out in the middle so we can do the shaft. So let's get this area nice and clean. Right guys, now this whole area is clear now. What I can do is I need to take the back wheel off there and the front driver side wheel off because they're absolutely flat and I will not be able to push this car with flat wheels because it's an absolute nightmare. I'm going to get the jack and I'm going to jack up the back, change that wheel and then take the front one off, pump it up with the Dacia pump up there and stick it on and then move the Civic out, jack the car up and do the shafts. If you don't have a pump like this, I highly suggest you get one. They're awesome, so easy. Plug into the car, pump up the tyres. So that's that wheel pumped up, the rear wheel pumped up, the back wheel is pumped up, and this one I think is a little bit flat. As you can see, very flat. So I'm going to try and get around here and jack the car up, get this wheel off and get it pumped up. Right guys, just gonna get this hub nut off, just this one here. Take this CV joint out that was holding it all together so the hub didn't fall to bits. So I'm just gonna bash that out, get all this off, out of the way so I can get this shaft in, and we'll pick up when we're putting it in. Right guys, bit of a pig to do, but one shaft is in and standard shock with lowering spring, so it will be a bit higher on the front than these crappy coilovers that I bought second hand. They're absolutely shit. Good coilover, but just in shit condition. So that's one shaft done, so I'm going to pop the wheel on, drop the car down and jack the other side up and get the other shaft in. Now that looks like it's sitting a lot better, a bit higher. It does need to settle down a bit because I haven't rolled the car front or back, but I'm going to jack up the other side and get the other shaft in. Right guys, I blasted that side out in absolutely no time. All good, it's in, rock solid, all tight, happy days. So I'm going to put it into first gear and see if she rocks and stop in gear. So I'm just going to put it into neutral first and see if it rolls. Rolls easy. Put the gear. Oh yeah, good, working. So that's one more job done guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can bleed this clutch, see if I need to take out this radiator, which I'm hoping I do not. Highly suggest if you don't have one, one man. It actually works. They're in Halfords for like €10 and I'm not messing, they actually work. So I'm going to get this clutch blade and I'll show you. So I took the radiator out just for ease of access. It's very easy to take out and put in, so let's find the fitting for this, see what size it is and get it bled. Now I have it all set up down here. I'll bring it down and show you. Easy bleed is on the nipple. The nipple is loosened as much as it needs to be loosened. It's all connected up here. I just have to put some fluid in the reservoir now. Now I'm just going to compress the clutch with my hand a few times and then check for the level of the fluid. Right, I bled up the best that I can. I'm going to set the camera up, have a look and see if it's working to its full potential. Guys, I call that a success. So we have clutch, we have shaft, we have gears. So all that's left to do is get all the coolant finished. I'm still waiting on that sensor off Stephen. I also got a lambda sensor off and I'm waiting to come in. And then the car can fire up, guys. So hopefully in the next video, we will get the car fired up. Happy days guys, that's it. I got the drive shafts done, the clutch is blade, my wheels are all pumped up, standard shocks also put on the front. I'm going to do the rear and the rear anti-roll bar in the next video, but I do want to get the car fired up in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed, you have that bell notification on, make sure you do not miss this car starting up. So guys, that's it for this episode. I really do appreciate everyone for watching. I'm gonna head home, have a shower, chill out for a bit, and yeah, it's finally getting there guys. Finally really happy with the progress that I've done. I'm not a mechanic. If you're not a mechanic, you can do it, because I'm not a mechanic and I can do it. And look, I've done all of this car on my own, other than the heavy lifting with the engine, getting it in. I haven't got any help off anyone, nothing at all. Yeah, I've bought parts that fit, but that's the joys of the game, guys. So don't forget, if you're building one of these cars or your own project, you must be dedicated to it, guys. So yeah, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget, hang around for the next video, as it is an exciting one. I appreciate you all, guys. Have a good new year. Anyhow, it's probably February by the time you see this, but it's New Year's now for me. So yeah guys, peace out and thanks for watching. Don't forget, be dedicated. Peace.